got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.
Well, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back for another episode. Today we are going to be B-swapping a customer's car. He currently has a D15 in here. It's one of our buddies we've known from races and whatnot. We have a goal here. I know you guys have probably seen the K-swap video in under 10 hours. We're going to do the same thing here. So let's go ahead and get started. The first things first, we're going to go ahead and remove this intake. Then after that, we're going to do the throttle cable. Then we'll get the AC compressor out. Alright, so that took 10 minutes. We got the intake out, we got the throttle cable out, we got a few odds and ends things. Unhooked the wiring harness from that side, here from the shock tower as well. So now we're going to go ahead and start with the AC. AC is not charged, so we're just going to go ahead and remove the lines and get it all out. So it is 11:39. Everything is finished here up top. We got the wiring harness unhooked from both shock towers. Fuel is unhooked. Slave cylinder that is unhooked as well. All the vacuum lines. Now we're going to go ahead and jack up the car, drain the coolant. Then we'll go ahead and get those axles out. Then once we get the axles out, take the mounts, and she'll be out. Also, here is the swap that we're going to be putting in. That's an LS motor on a GSR transmission. Full swap already has the OBD1 distributor on it, so it'll be easy just to put in. Don't got to go buy any other parts. So let's go ahead and get to work. currently 1:22. We just got the motor out. We did take a little bit of a break real fast. But we're gonna go ahead and get everything off of this that we need, like the wiring harness and so forth, get it on the motor and get this sucker in. The motor is all ready to go into the car. Time is currently, my wife just texted me. The time is currently 2:31 right now. So we obviously did take a little bit of break. We were helping other guys out with the car over at Rick's unit real fast. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick up some pizza. Then once we get back, we're gonna go ahead and throw that into there and we'll be good. So everything is in, everything is ready to go. We just got to finish putting oil in her and we'll be good to go. Current time now is 7:33. So that's definitely under 10 hours there. Let's go ahead and see if she runs now. Running good. She's good. We're gonna go ahead and call the video there. We finally got the car running and we definitely did it under 10 hours. Next thing we really just need to do is modify the exhaust so it'll fit, but the car's running. It's ready to go.
Go ahead and subscribe and see you guys next time.
Peace.
Don't got no sauce, then you're lost. But you can also get lost in the sauce.